that the Justice Department will properly enforce this law and, if necessary, defend its constitutionality when you have said for 20 years that it is unconstitutional?
Well, Senator, first of all, I certainly agree, and the courts have made clear that the Congress has the power and the government has the power to require that those records be kept. That law ultimately has been upheld. It was initially struck down. I think there were problems that the courts identified, and then I think Congress corrected many of those problems. I believe it was struck down in my initial in the lawsuit that I brought on behalf of media organizations that were concerned about the way in which it was done, not the fact, but the way. And the court agreed that it should be fixed. The Congress fixed it, and I think that the law is constitutional as it stands today.
Thank you. Yesterday I received an article about your nomination that appeared on XBIZ, which is the news agency for the pornography industry. It states, quote, "For the adult entertainment industry, the pick could constitute a strong one, considering Ogden's record in representing companies under First Amendment rights and obscenity cases," unquote. Now, the article also quotes the executive director of the Free Speech Coalition, which is the porn industry's legal team, hailing your nomination and saying that it will be, in her words, refreshing. Now, it appears that the porn industry does not believe that your own views differ from the views you expressed on their behalf over the years. And Mr. Orrin, let me ask you about your brief for the ACLU and others in the Knox v. United States case. After the first Bush Justice Department had obtained a conviction of Stephen Knox for possessing child pornography, the new Clinton Justice Department reversed course and asked that his conviction be reversed. They did so based on their new interpretation of the child pornography statute that narrowed its application and weakened its enforcement. Now, the U.S. Court of Appeals rejected that new position not once, but twice.